Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for Photoreceptorcell, and in today's guide I'm going to show you how to zoom smarter. Now when we're editing in, doesn't matter whether it's what package you use, whether it's Lightroom, Photoshop or whatever packages you use, the key, I think we'll all agree, is we don't want to be spending unnecessary amounts of time when we're editing. So any quick tips that we can garner are very much welcome. And today I'm going to show you how to speed up your zoom process. So you can hit Z on the keyboard and do your zoom that way, or you can do it directly through your mouse. And the way you do that is if you click on the Photoshop CC preferences, find tools, and you want to come over and select zoom with scroll wheel. Okay, and then we can zoom out and zoom in as much as we like. Doesn't matter whether you roll your finger up and down, left or right. Now obviously I'm using a Mac, so if you're using Windows then you can only roll up or down, but with the Mac you can do left or right as well. It has the same effect. There we go guys, just a very quick tip on how to speed up your editing process. Take care guys, and I shall speak to you soon.